Now I'm Barb Del Judas, co-owner of Adkreater, and here are Nerdbird's Baby and Beanie. And I'm making a video especially for Rip. There goes Baby. Baby likes to look on the floor for little crumbs. He just loves it, and they just like to walk around. And he's playing with my pants. These are perfect bird pants. And here's Beanie preening himself and Baby. And I'm going to put this video up on a squeeze page using Adkreater. And I brand myself with my Nerdbirds. So, yeah, are you having fun? And Beanie, he's grooming his feather or preening. Preening. And Baby's gonna preen himself too. Birds have to keep their feathers nicely groomed for flying. It's necessary. And you can see me in the mirror down there too. If I go, whoops, don't, poor Baby, I'm sorry. I moved my leg and he lost his balance. I'm sorry, sweetie. I won't do that again. And so this is a nice, there I am in the mirror, and there's Baby and Beanie. And I'll see you on the inside. Make sure you join us and make your squeeze page.